Everything is the one mind. The omnipresence of the one mind pervades the entire universe. All change and transformation is the continual self-evolvement and self-transformation of this universal mind. It is the self-realization of the inexpressible, divine ultimate ground. Thus, the whole unending multiplicity of the external world of phenomena is the manifestation of this one all-encompassing mind, and the universe its revelation. This dynamic nature of the universe extends from the smallest atom to the vast dimensions of the galaxies. Everything is in never-ceasing motion, which ultimately takes place only in the mind. The mind is the fundament of everything. Out of it, through it, and in it are all things. And beyond the mind, there exists nothing at all. The moment we turn our spiritual attention away from outward things, and in meditative clarity turn inwards, we will perceive that this one mind is our true divine self. In the darkness of the heart, in our innermost, it shines as a radiating light that lights up the entire universe like an eternal flame. This, our true being, is the underlying reality at the base of all our experiences. It neither comes nor goes. It is omnipresent, silent and pure, and beyond space and time. As the pure original source of all being, it is unborn and indestructible. Yet our original divine nature is constantly overlaid by a multitude of passions and notions. The perpetual flow of the incessant concept-producing intellect and our deeply rooted thought habits cast a dark shadow over our true self. Fascinated by this spectacle on the surface of our consciousness, we're unable to free ourselves of it. And so, we are in a state of darkness and confusion of the mind, and are caught in our own projections. Blinded by this misperception, we are no longer able to perceive the reality of our true being. And thus, we wander lost in samsara, the cycle of birth and death. Trapped this way in the dream of an apparent world of multiplicity, we have lost ourselves and no longer know who we are. Yet, since this dream wandering is just a vision, we cannot speak of a real occurrence in the sense of an actual event. We do indeed believe that we move in a three-dimensional, multitudinous world of space and time, which exists separate from us. But in truth, everything takes place only in the mind.